Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
If you're looking for a chocolate recipe that freezes to ice cream right before your eyes, then you've come to the right place. The funny thing is, it's the exact same milk chocolate recipe I showed you how to make one year for Easter. So if you're not familiar with this recipe, you better get familiar, because it doesn't just make good milk chocolate. It makes one heck of an ice cream chocolate candy shell. And I'll post the link at the end of this video. One of the things I like to do is add honey roasted peanuts to a food processor and pulse them several times until they look something like this. Then just add those to a bowl and do the same thing with the milk chocolate. Now all you need is some ice cream and a cone. And I find that dipping the ice cream in the nuts first really helps press the ice cream into the cone, so you don't lose it when you dip it in the chocolate. Trust me, I learned the hard way. And I'm going to do this in real time here, so you can literally watch that chocolate freeze up on the ice cream right before your eyes. Now if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want future notifications of my new videos, make sure you hit the bell. And I'm curious, what is your favorite ice cream to eat? Make sure you tell me in the comments below. Personally, I'm a cookies and cream fan, and if you've got some of those double fudge brownies, you better prep your guest room. And I better go ahead and take a bite of this too. See? What do you think of that? Looks pretty good, huh? But what about a bowl of ice cream? Does that look good? How about the nuts on top this time? And you can see that shell's already freezing up on there. But let's go in for the close-up. And this is one of the best homemade milk chocolate recipes out there. Now let's get a spoon and check out that crunchy shell. See? Cracks right open. And there you have it. Chocolate shell right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.